She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Labos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was a unit that I caught with my own coins. So shout out to me for copping this unit with my coins. Okay, so this unit is by Outre and it is in the style Julissa. And as you guys can see, it's like from their wet and wavy collection or whatever. I forgot what color I have it in, but I think it is ginger brown or something like that. But anyways, if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're not interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this is a unit that I caught with my own coins. Shout out to me for copping a unit with my own coins. Like, go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. Okay, I have been coming through. You guys know I have been coming through with the syntheticals, okay, girl? So the unit that I am wearing is by Outre because Outre has been coming through with the come through and it's like, child, I see Outre and I'm like, let me get it, okay? Like, that's how I feel about Outre these days. I feel about Outre the same way I used to feel about Sensational. And you guys know how I felt about Sensational, girl.
Sensational.
Okay, so the unit that I am wearing, as I stated, is by Outre. It is their wet and wavy style. So I don't know if this is a new collection. I did see a few other units from this like wet and wavy type of deal. So I'm not sure, but that's what they got on here. It says 5-inch deep parting, natural baby hairs, HD transparent lace, and it says heat resistant fiber, high tech, safe up to 400 degrees. The unit is in the style Julissa and it is in the color ginger brown. So this is what this unit looks like on the stock card. And that ginger brown is right here. And the other color is, I think, the DR Golden Coral. Let me see. Yes. So that's that other color right here. And then on the back, it has the care guide and the special colors that it comes in. And it gives you a side and back view of the unit. Now, honestly, y'all, I don't even remember how much I paid for this unit, but I don't think it was a lot. Like, these days, and I've seen somebody comment, talk about this in the wig group, Wig Slayers, that nowadays, honey, like, what happened to the $25 syntheticals, okay? Like, 25 top syntheticals. Like, the syntheticals are definitely way more expensive than they used to be, and like, honey, girl, like, yeah. But, I don't think this particular unit is expensive when we're talking about today's time, okay? Like when I first started wearing wigs, they weren't this expensive, but in today's time, this is just like where we're at, okay? With this unit though, I can't really speak for any shedding, any tangling, because I didn't run my fingers through it. I kind of fluffed her. Like, that was it. I just fluffed her a little bit. I didn't run my fingers through it. I think, like, just judging by me doing that, I think you'll hit a few snags if you do just, like, try to run your fingers through it. But I honestly don't think it'll be anything to write home about because I'm still able to do it. Like, I'm doing it on a few of them, but I ain't trying to mess up my hair because your girl got places to go, people to see, and I ain't trying to be looking crazy out here in these streets, okay? So I'm not gonna mess up my wig for y'all, okay? I'm just not doing it. But I do think this wig is, you, like I said, you may hit some tangles, but I don't think it'll be anything to write home about because it is a shorter wig. And in my opinion, shorter wigs just seem to last longer and tangle less. That's just my opinion. As far as shedding, if it sheds, honey, your girl ain't noticed it, okay? Like, well, maybe I'm lying. I see a string. Okay, I got a string. So it's not shedding a lot. It's shedding, but it's not shedding like crazy. Nothing that I am bothered about. Yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. If I'm not mistaken, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as you can see, like that HD lace. Now, I did not put anything like over here, like as far as the powder, but I did put some over here. And I feel like whenever you put whatever powder that you use, it just kind of melts it a lot more when it comes to the lace, these HD laces. And that, I just feel like the lace just looks so good. I love a good HD lace. Like, honey, if I see HD lace, I want it. Okay, I don't care what type of wig it is. If I see HD lace, your girl wants it. So yeah, I am feeling the lace on this unit, and it is a lace parting wig, as you guys saw, so you can't part this anywhere else. And it's a curved part, so I can't even say you can shift it. And it's on my right side, so this is a right side part. So if you're not a right side part girl, this may not be for you, but yeah, just want to throw that out there. As far as it being big head friendly, I honestly did not adjust the straps on this unit, and it's fitting pretty good. I am an average cap size. I feel like if you know you have a standard big head, it may not be an issue, but if you have water head, it may be an issue. That's how I feel. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in a full 360 as well as how I feel about this unit, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so honestly, like I had literally just kind of been putting this wig off. I actually got this wig around the same time that I got that other like pixie wig. Like, I'll put a card here if you guys haven't seen the video. Lord, Chrissy, remember to put a card. But I got these around the same time, and I just wasn't excited about it until your girl saw Shining Star review this wig. And honey, if you know, then you know Shining Star slays, honey. Okay? And when I saw her video, and I was like, okay, Chrissy, maybe you can do this. Okay, maybe this is gonna look as good on you as it looks on her. Okay, now granted, it doesn't. But I am still definitely pleasantly surprised with this wig. I think this wig looks really good. I think it's really, really easy. It's just an effortless slay, and it's just a pleasant shock. So yeah, I am really, really feeling this wig. Shout out to you, Shining Star, for giving me that boost I needed to just go ahead, take old girl out and give her a try. I like this wig, and like I said, it's really, really easy. It doesn't take a whole lot. She's just a look, effortless look, honey. Okay, so yeah, like I stated, I am feeling this wig. I would recommend you guys copping her. I don't remember how much she costs. You know, she's on that new inflated range of synthetic wigs, but whatever, yeah, okay. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this unit. I really, really like it. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know down below. Let me know if you've seen Shining Star's video. If I do not link her video down below in the description box, somebody remind me, because you guys know I'm crazy. Okay, remind me to put it down there, because she definitely slayed, and she did like a natural color. So just to kind of give you guys some versatility and let you guys see. Also with this wig, it doesn't necessarily need to be laid down with Gots to Be glue, okay, or any type of adhesive. I use bedhead, but it doesn't have to be laid down unless you want to. And if I'm not mistaken, Shining Star did not lay hers down, so they just kind of give you guys some alternatives, as well as giving her a shout out for just, you know, giving me that push that I needed. So yeah, that is basically it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box, and we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook, and HelpMissy on Snapchat. I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.